Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of my two-part cooking series of Chinese cuisine, and today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable Manchurian at home. So to a big bowl I'm adding 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage, 1 cup of finely chopped carrots, 3 large onions that are again finely chopped, 1 green capsicum, I'm using 3 finely chopped green chilies here. If you don't like a lot of spice, then you can reduce the quantity of green chilies. Then I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. If you don't have white pepper powder, you can use black pepper as well. Some salt to taste. And now I'm just going to mix this all together until it's well combined. And then I'm adding my favorite GG paste. So this is ginger garlic paste. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of that. This adds a very nice flavor, so don't miss this ingredient. So as you can see, this dough is holding shape very well, and this is an indication that now we can start forming our Manchurian balls. So I'm taking small roundels out of this dough and I'm making equal sized Manchurian balls, and I'm gonna fry these on a medium flame till they turn golden brown, just like this. So I'm gonna take these out and set it aside. So for the sauce, I have added some oil to a wok and I'm adding 2 large onions. These are roughly chopped, 1 green capsicum, and I'm adding some salt to taste, and I'm gonna let them saute for a while till it changes color. As you can see, the onions are nice and brown now. So I'm gonna set some of it aside and keep some of them in the pan. And to the same pan I'm adding a mix of green chilies, garlic and ginger. The exact measurements are going to be on the screen. So for the sauce I'm using this hot and sour soup from Knorr. If you don't have this, it's totally fine. You can avoid it. So now I'm adding 1 cup of water. So if you don't have the soup packet, then you can just directly go ahead and add the water followed by the other flavoring ingredients. So our flavoring ingredients here are going to be 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, some Szechuan chutney, I'm going to give that a good mix. Then I'm adding some green chili sauce. This is optional, again, considering how much spice you can handle, you can add this or not. Then I'm adding some hot and sweet sauce. This will provide a nice balance to our sauce. So I'm gonna let this cook for a while and then add some pepper. This is again white pepper powder, but you can use black pepper as well. Some salt to taste. And I'm gonna let this come to a boil and then add some whites of the spring onion, and you'll notice that it starts to thicken. So once it comes to a boil and it thickens, I'm gonna add the Manchurian balls that we prepared and also the reserved vegetable mixture. I'm gonna give this all a very good mix. And I'm gonna let these Manchurian balls soak in the gravy that we've prepared. Finally, I'm just gonna garnish this dish with some green onions, and I'm gonna mix it all together. So as you saw, this was a very easy recipe, and this goes well with your fried rice, your Hakka noodles. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.